Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. To do this we need to open the settings and then open Wi-Fi options. Now over here we should have our Wi-Fi that we are connected to right now, and what we need to do is simply tap on this arrow on the right side in order to find the information about the network, and then if you scroll all the way down you will have forget a network option, and if you select it then you can confirm that you want to forget this network on this device. So press OK and you should be disconnected from the Wi-Fi, and also the password should also be not saved anymore. In addition to that, if you don't have the Wi-Fi network over here, if you are not connected right now to the Wi-Fi but you still want to remove the Wi-Fi from your device, then you can scroll all the way down and at the bottom you should find additional settings. You want to go there, then go to manage safe networks, and then over here you will find all Wi-Fi networks that you have been connected to in the past, successfully of course, and then you can press the delete button over here in order to remove those Wi-Fi networks. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!